Okay, Steve, I think I can get this down now. All right, so I'm going to show you how to create a gallery. Okay, and you can go down here down the side to gallery, or you can go up top here and go to gallery there. So we're going to go add gallery and images because we haven't created anything. If you look here, any one that I've created before is there. Not going to use any of those because then you can just grab one of these and add files to it there. We're not going to do that. We're going to create a new gallery. So I'm going to call it football because I happen to have some of my son's football pictures readily available. Okay? And then we're going to go to add files. Well, it happened to go right to the folder, but you have to navigate to where that folder is each of those pictures. Okay, and I'm going to add all of them. It hasn't done anything. All it's done is loaded them up. Now I will tell you, the maximum you can do in any one upload is 20 megabyte. So let's say if I didn't want one, I just click this negative button and it will get rid of it. So I don't want to do that. I want to keep them all in. Then I have to do start upload. And it's slowly going to, if you look, it's loading them up. Okay. All depends on file size and all that stuff. So they're all loaded and it says 10 of them are updated successfully. So I have now uploaded them to a gallery and it's called football and they're there. Okay, now what do I want to do with that? I'm going to go to manage galleries. Okay, and I'm going to go click on football. And those are all the pictures that are in it. So you can put text in there, you can do any kinds of things in there. You can link it to a page, whatever you want to do. But we're not going to do much with that here. Okay. All right. And I'm also going to go, okay. So if I want to add that to a page, let's say I add a page. I'm going to add a new page. And I'm just going to call this one football. Okay. And I want to put a picture in there. So I'm going to add media. And I want to add one of those pictures that I just used, or that I just uploaded. So I'm going to go select files and just pick one of them. And it's uploaded. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the medium size one, and I'm going to insert it into the page. So now it's right on the page. Okay? All right. So if I just leave it, I have not done anything with the gallery. So you can leave that page on there, but I wouldn't suggest it. I just wanted to show you how to put that picture in there. Okay. But I'm going to take it out. But what I want to do is I want to add a gallery. Okay, and that little green button, which is the same one that's down here, and that's associated with galleries, is I'm going to now click on that one, and it's going to say add a gallery. Okay. Now these are pretty basic ones up here. These are the more advanced, and you have all the pro settings on there. But let's say I wanted to do a horizontal film strip, or if you just want to do a straight gallery. This is good. I think this one has descriptions in it. This one over here does not. I tend to like this one better, but you may want to set it up differently. So what would you like to display? You definitely want to display a gallery. You don't want to do random images. But now we got to figure out, name the gallery. Well, the one we did, it was called football. Okay? And you want to customize the display. Do you want to override the thumb settings? Usually they're pretty good. Items per page. If you're doing a gallery, I've had that at 200 and 300 in the past. Number of columns to display. So actually, I'm going to put this at a bigger number. Border color. You can play around with that. Display the triggers. That's fine. Number of columns, if you leave it at 0, it'll automatically set it up. Okay. By the way, if you want to override them, the standard size is 120 by 90, which is a 4:3 ratio. I like to bump it up a little bit. So you might want to do, I'm going to do this 240. Sorry. 240 to 180, I just doubled them. Okay. And I'm going to hit save. And now when I hit save, it automatically put that is the gallery. Okay. It shows it as one picture, but that is the gallery. So if I now save it, it's there. So if I go view that page now, the first time you view it, it does take a little bit longer because it has to do some image adjusting on certain things. But there it is. So all the pictures are there. And if somebody wants to come and click on it, they'll see a bigger image then. Okay. Now I will tell you that in this style, these pictures are not, somebody can download them. So they are not locked in. Okay, now you notice over here, we're getting this sidebar. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that sidebar. So we're going to go edit the page. It's a real simple thing. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab this and say no sidebar. And then hit update. And so now when I go look at the view the page, after I say now it looks a little bit better. Okay, let's say I decided that I want to do above it a little slideshow of them. You can add that to it very easily. So we're going to go back to edit. Okay, I'm going to click on the right side. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Okay. I think I'm above it right now. If I ever, yeah, because it came down. Now I got my cursor up there. So now I'm going to go back here. And I'm going to do the film strip this time. What would you like to display? I'm going to display the exact same thing. All right. Gallery width 100%. I don't like it 100%. I'm going to put it at 70%. And I'm also going to make it so each picture is only shown for 3.5 seconds. So I'm going to put it as 3.5. Okay? Otherwise, if you put it at 100%, it's way too big. Okay? And then I'm going to hit save. If you notice, it's going to put another picture right above it. If I hit update. And then I'm going to go view it. Because sometimes shown in two different ways helps. There's the first one, and then there's a gallery of all of them. So, all right, hope this helps, and I'll talk to you soon.